Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Happy Monday ahead. So let's check what happened today. Today there was flat to positive opening and it was sold into. There was a good sell-off. We'll check why there was a good sell-off and what happened in the 15 minutes candle and what the big players are planning for tomorrow. So this whole week will be volatile, guys. So be very much cautious. You will be getting a very good scalping trade on both the side. So let's check the big player what happened. So what happened, guys, in the early morning, the retailers were holding good calls and put writing. So when the market opened flat, they thought there will be a good gap up or the start will be good, but it was not like that. It was against them, so they have unwinded their call. So where they purchase a call, so they have sold the calls. It means call writing was happened here. Okay, and the opposite of put here, put they were holding, this was a put writing. So when they have unwinded their put writing, so someone has purchased the put, right? So 1.15 lakhs contracts in the early morning when someone purchased the put, it was a it was like a good fall. Okay, so in the early morning there was a fall because of retailers only. So we'll follow by FII now in option index. Input they were holding 2,62,000 of put. Now they have unwinded 35,000 contracts. Now they have 2,27,000 contracts of put. And in call they were holding 1,19,000 contracts. Now they have unwinded 4,000 contracts only. Still they are holding 1,14,000 of call. And in future index they were holding 28% long. Now they have increased the long, decreased the short by 4 percentage. They have 32% long, short 68%. And stock futures no changes, 49% long and 51% short. And in cash flow they have purchased for 312 crores. So see what FII is doing. FII have covered their short today. So they have booked the profit in short today. And here this is a neutral position, we can say more on negative side only. And this is also a neutral position of stock futures. So see neutral and this is a negative positions. So FII have confused, they don't know where the market will go. Anyhow, the US market is not performing well, so all eyes on US market only. This is hedging positions and this is too much of short they have created. So DII also I have made this available now. We'll just check, keep an eye what FII is doing in future index, and this we won't track. Anyhow, FII won't be trading much on futures and options. They only play in cash market, and these stock futures they always will be doing a hedging with this 95% short. They always create this. So now FII having 41% long and 59% short, and in stock future they have 5% long and 95% short. So they have sold for 94 crores. So no, actually no view by the DIS as of now, but they are on a profit booking mode only now. So we'll see how many days or weeks they are going to book the profit. We have to continually track them now. So client are the retailers. Retailers input they were holding 3,70,000 of put writing, unwinded the put writing by 1,15,000 contracts, still holding 2,55,000 of put writing. And in call they were holding 1 lakh contracts of call. Now they have unwinded 51,000 contracts, so still holding 51,000 call by them. And in future index they were holding 59% long, 41% short. So uh, reduced the longs, increased the short by 1 percentage. They have 58% long and 42% short. So no changes in stock futures, 82% long and 18% short, and sold in cash market for 228 crores. So client view, see, they are positive, positive, positive. very much positive in all the three F&O segments, and also in cash market. Sorry, in cash market they sold for 228. So very much positive in derivatives, we can say. Promoters in put, they were holding 21,000 of puts. They have unbinded this puts, so they book the profit of puts, and today they have made a fresh put writing of 58,000 contracts. In call, they were holding 2,22,000 of call writing. Now they have decreased the call writing, and they have decreased by 55,000 contracts. They have 1,67,000 of call writing now. And in future index, they have 50-50 long and short. So they have increased the long 2%, reduced the shorts 2 percentage. So we can say they book the profit in short 2 percentage. No, this is 50-50 they have. And stock futures, no changes, 66% long and 34% short, and purchase in cash market 2 to 4 crores. So the view of promoter is they have covered their shorts. They are positive only, we can say now. And here this is neutral. This is a good number. So they have covered their shorts, but they're having a hedging position, we can say. This is a normal light quantities, we can say, not a very huge quantities. They are on any bull side or bear side, but still holding a good number of call writing. So we will not take any views by the promoters now, and FII also we will not take the views. So there is a so much of volatility, market can move any side now. Let's check the PCR. PCR for today Nifty was 0.7, and for month end 1.2. Bank Nifty 0.78 and month end 1.06. PCR is stating it is bullish only. Market is bullish as of now. So let's check the global market and we'll see what's for tomorrow. See, Dow Jones has open gap down, and there was a good recovery in the Dow Jones. This is 15 minutes time frame, and Nasdaq also open gap down. There was a good retracement, and the market is trading in range now. So what for tomorrow? Tomorrow, see. So, see, we are still on a positive side only. This trend line is not broken, and it has retraced somewhere here, and it's trying to move upward. So this will be the good support. 17,500 is the best support now, and 17,300 will be also be a very good support. So for tomorrow, the market has to trade in this range only. 17,500 to 17,800 we can take on a upper side. So trade will be on upper side only. We have to be bullish only. So buy on dip and sell on rise still be the strategy. Let's check the bank nifty. See, bank nifty also same. So it is good if we trade in this range only for few weeks. 41,500 to 40,000, 40,100 we can say. So this consolidation period will be very good for the market if we trade in this range only for few weeks. Same with Nifty also. So I don't see any fall as of now. Until there is any bad news coming from a global market, we don't have any bad news in our market to fall. Uh, but this whole week will be there will be good volatility. So you'll get a good scalping trade and you get a benefit on both the sides. So also check the VIX also. VIX is 19.9, so this is good for the buyers. Option buyers can make good money at this time. And this is the time where you can also trade in cement stocks, autos. Auto industry is doing good, fertilizers, travel industries, hotels. These are the segments where you can be getting a very good intraday trades. Don't go short or long in ITs, avoid IT until we get any good scope in coming months. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my video. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.